Today we'll talk about vicidial software, which is the most widely used software in the call center industry. It can be configured with 4 types of modules such as inbound, outbound, press 1, and survey. It has many features like call recording, call monitoring, call dispositions, and agent performance details. When an agent dials a number, sometimes they reach a wrong number, sometimes the phone is busy, and sometimes no one picks up. This wastes the agent's time. There's a solution for this. You need to upload customer names, numbers, and other details in an Excel file, and then the system automatically starts calling. When the system works in predictive mode, it can differentiate between human voice and automated messages. After dialing a number, if an automated message is heard, for example, the person you are trying to reach is currently busy or switched off, the dialer automatically disconnects the call and dials the next number from the file. If a human picks up the phone, the dialer transfers the call within a second to the agent who has been free for the longest time. Before the call arrives, the customer's details that were uploaded in the Excel file will be on the agent's screen. Now the agent can talk to the customer while looking at their details. The agent can also modify customer details and add feedback. When the call ends, a disposition screen will appear on the agent's screen. There, they need to select the conclusion of the call, whether the customer is interested, busy, not interested, or if a sale was made. You can also schedule calls for any date or time. Suppose a customer asked the agent to call back next week at 11 a.m., and the agent selected that date and time to schedule the call. Now the dialer will dial that number on the same date and time. You can also check agent performance with call recordings and feedback reports. Who logged in for how long, who logged out when, how many breaks an agent took, and how many customers they talked to during this time duration. You can see all this live as well. If you were looking for the same solution, contact our expert team today. You can call or WhatsApp us. The number is easy, +91 75 999 67999. Subscribe this channel for more update.